Hi guys. Today you guys will start a visual study guide project that is going to be used for your own self-study for the cell. On the PowerPoint slide here that you're looking at, you can see all of the listed organelles and structures that you're expected to include. What you want to do is do some really solid searches and find images, either micrographs or sketches or both. Both would be great. You have to find an individual image for each structure represented. I apologize for the puppy crying in the background. And he's in the kennel right now. I'm really sad about it. But Bodhi, so you have to find an image. You can also, if you are so inclined, you can create your own image. Regardless of your choice there, you need to find the image. Then you also are going to need to include a comprehensive list of functions per organelle and descriptions, basic descriptions as to how. Be very careful here. Don't cut corners with the functions because that's most important. And remember, your expectation is that you're going beyond what you did as a biology student. So think of yourself as a college biology student and plan accordingly. Please pull these functions from what you consider to be reliable sources. Use the CARS as a reference. EDU is probably your best bet to pull that. Then for your digital representation, you're going to do a Flipgrid, a Prezi, a Keynote, I'm not even familiar with all the possible visual representations you could use from your iPad, but any of those. And this is a project, so it's not going to be due right away tomorrow. However, I do need to see a rough draft. I need to see some of the things that you've collected. So I am going to create a folder for that to be submitted. So if you guys have questions, go ahead and send them to me in a Schoology message. Thanks.